Hey everyone, I'm at my friend's house and I'm about to put up a fan. I'm going to put up this forever fan right here in this spare bedroom, and I'm also going to put in this room here, this music room, I'm going to put another light there. I'm going to put this view fan in place of this light. I already took down the other light. I just went right to it, so yeah. Alright, so yep, next is to put the mounting bracket up, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got the mounting bracket here, and I'm gonna get ready to hang it. There's already a box up here. The wires in. Get the other screw. Center it. All right. Okay. All right. First we do the black and blue, which is going to be the light kit. And hook that one up to the live for now. Can't hold. And then just like this. Okay, the wires showing, and to get the screws in. On. Just gonna test and make sure we got power. Yep, we got power. All right. Next is the blades. And she chose, there are two sides to this forever fan. This light oak, or light side, and then this dark red here, and she chose this side. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna keep them on this light side and get the blades up. Okay, hey everyone, back again with the time to do the light kit. This is the light kit we're gonna put on. So what I gotta do is take the switch housing, the switch cap off. Okay, what we're gonna do is string the wires through, like so. Blue to black, and white to white. All right, I'm gonna go with And I'm using beveled glass since it is kind of cool. Just need some more for the other one.
Okay, we'll just leave them out then.
Yeah.
I've got plenty.
Awesome. Okay. Okay, that's in. All right. The only thing I did not get, I'm take. All right, I am back, and I'm now going to install this view fan here. The view fan I showed earlier in my previous video. This view fan, and it's a vintage fan, but it's new in the box. Might have seen this. So I got here the mounting bracket. All right, time to hang it. Wires are in the way. All right. Just okay. All right, time to put the blades on. Okay, right. Time to do the light kit. And the light kit, I have this time a single light picked out. Schoolhouse globe and this. So, there again, we're just going to take the switch cap off and screw on the light kit. Light kit. Okay. Light kit. Grab the 2 wires that are for the light kit. Go. right. Step down. Screwdriver. All right, here's the switch cap and the light kit. Feed them through. Okay, there we go. Okay, and there's wire nuts. And again, white. And black to blue, of course. Sure, I get there's a slot here to line up with the reverse switch. All right, put these tiny little screws back in. Good enough. All right, let's get a light bulb. Okay, and for the schoolhouse globe. Okay. Blow off. And the last thing to put on is in the bag, in the box. There was one pull chain extender, these yellow tassels, which I love. But we'll have to get some more pull chain extenders. All right. Well, that is all. That's all for installing this view fan. And I was just and here it is. And I'll be back.